morning, Rutgers. Anthony Calabrese here, bringing you your Sunday, March 1st, 2015 morning forecast. Now, today's the first day of meteorological spring, but it's going to feel like winter just a little bit longer, as we'll be dealing with some snow later on today. Looking at our almanac, you see we got down to a morning low of 10 degrees, nowhere near our average low this time of year of 26 degrees, and our average high for this time of year is 46 degrees, and we're not going to get anywhere near that today. Record low is 5 degrees and record high was 66. Again, we're not going to reach those today. And sunrise was at 6:36 this morning, and sunset will be at 5:46 this afternoon. High temperatures across New Jersey. You'll see Sussex at 29 degrees. Newark, Toms River, and Camden all share 32 degrees, and our warm spot is Atlantic City at 34 degrees. For the rest of the Northeast, pretty cold today. Ithaca and Oneonta at 28 degrees. New York City, Philly, and Lancaster all share the warm spot at 32 degrees, so very cold across the Northeast today. Looking at our New Jersey satellite, you'll see there's a lot of snow working its way in from the west, and the darker shades of blue represent the heavier snowfall rates. So places like just north of Baltimore and Delaware, and even southern New Jersey, experiencing some pretty heavy snowfall right now. We're experiencing some snow showers, and I think the heavier snow will stay off to the south. But zooming out, you'll see there's a band of precipitation behind it working its way towards the east. That's going to give us some snow and a mixture later on today. As we look at our futurecast, you'll see by Sunday at around 7:30 degrees, the rain-snow line will work its way to the north, and the snow will eventually change over to a mixture of sleet and freezing rain. But by Monday morning, that system will move off the coast, giving us clear skies for most of the day on Monday. But on Tuesday, we have another system moving through, starting out as snow at around 4:30, but again, the rain-snow line working its way eastward, eventually changing over to an all-rain event. So for the rest of today, some snow with a high of 32 and winds light and variable. And for tonight, a mixture of rain, freezing rain, and some snow with a low of 30 degrees and again, winds light and variable. And as I step out for your 7-day forecast, you'll see Sunday, again, snow at 32 degrees and a low of 30. Monday, pretty pleasant outside, partly cloudy with a high of 39 degrees and a low of 16. And then Tuesday, again, that next system moves through with some afternoon snow, with a high of 37, low of 31. And then Wednesday, some of that snow remains, but with a high of 50 degrees, it's going to be rain and a low of 28. And then Thursday, morning clouds, afternoon sun, high of 28 and a low of 12. Quite a big difference between Wednesday's high temperature and Thursday's high temperature. And on Friday, sunny skies, high of 33, low of 19. And as we get into the weekend next week, sunny skies with a high of 43 degrees. So Saturday sure is going to feel nice up there. But that is it. If you miss us, you can check us out on RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. Like us on Facebook at RUWeatherWatcher. Follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW using hashtag RUWeather. And you can look us up on the web anytime at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Anthony Calabrese. Have a great morning, Rutgers.